Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamala. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video I'll be trying out some of the new products which I shopped from HOK Makeup, like Hawk Makeup. So they have a Christmas discount, like 35% discount on their website, and I shopped a lot of new products from them. So mostly Relove by Revolution, which is their newly launched by brand revolution.com. So I'm gonna try everything and I'll be sharing my opinion and review with you guys. And also I have shopped very little products from Nykaa as well, and I'll be sharing everything. So without any further delay, let's begin into the video. So guys, in today's video I'll be trying almost all for under 400 rupees. So the MRP is 500, but after discount the every products came under 400 rupees, so I'm really happy for that. So I have kept everything over here. So as you can see, it's a bunch of products, and only one of the product is not under 400, which is this highlighter palette from Sof X collection. So I'll be trying in another video. Today I'll be trying only Relove by Revolution products. So guys, I have already moisturized my skin. I'm gonna moisturize my lips. For that I have this Relove by Revolution Glam Balm Lip Balm. So this is the pineapple variant. So I'm gonna leave all the names, links for the products which I'm gonna use in today's video in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. And all these products are under 400 rupees. So the MRP of this lip balm is 500 rupees, like 499 rupees, but there was a flat 35% discount, so under 400 only I bought all the products. So I'm gonna moisturize my lips. So it's a thick lip balm. Yeah, it looks very nice and has very mild fragrance, not like a pineapple fragrance. It's a very mild fragrance is there. I really like that. So now we'll be moving on to the primer. Now I have this Relove by Revolution Super Matte Primer. So it is a silicone based primer. I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand. So as you can see, it's a very transparent clear primer, so almost like a jelly thing. It has some fruit smell is coming. I really liked it, and blends beautifully into the skin and gives that mattifying finish immediately. I can feel that. So even this is under 400 rupees, you get only 12 ml of product. So all are mini size version, but for beginners this is a very nice product. I feel so far I really like the primer. As you can see, it mattified my skin very beautifully. So next, for the foundation and concealer, I don't have any new products, so I'll be using the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 170Y, and for the concealer I'll be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Foundation in the shade 160 and 145. So to set this concealer in place, I have the Relove by Revolution HD Super Matte Setting Powder. So this is in the shade Translucent, I think. So they had only one shade. It's a Universal Mattifying Loose Powder. So they have only one shade in this. So this is how the powder looks like in the packaging. So I really like all the Revolution products. Only few products are not that great, but almost all are really nice. So I'm expecting a lot from Relove by Revolution as well, because it's a brand from there with a very affordable range. So I have taken some amount of powder on the cap. So I'm gonna take with my beauty blender. So I'm just going to apply on my concealer. I know this concealer is really nice, very mattified, and also has a good coverage. So if this concealer creases, then we can put the blame on the loose powder. So I'm just testing, right, and has a really good fragrance. So generally all the loose powder fragrance, same fragrance it has. So I'm gonna leave this for just 20 to 30 seconds. I'm not going to bake, just to set the concealer in place. So by the time the powder is set, I'm gonna draw my eyebrows. For that I have this brow pencil from Relove. So this is their Power Brow eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. So this comes with a spoolie one end. So this is what the product looks like, and this product comes with a spoolie one end, and this is what the pencil looks like. So it's really has a lot of thing, and it's a retractable form. So this is the shade looks like. So the formula is very creamy and applied very nicely. So as you can see, the eyebrows are really getting very bold, and the shade is also matching beautifully for my hairs. So I don't want supremely black thing, I want this kind of eyebrows for my day-to-day wear, and it is so inexpensive as well. So this is for 299, the MRP itself, and for after discount you'll be getting a good price. I'm just pulling the product with the spoolie which comes with the other end. So this is really nice product, I really liked it. So now I'm gonna set my entire face with this Relove Super Matte powder. So this I got it from beautybay.com. so if you watched my previous video, you know that. So this product is not available in India, so I'm gonna leave the Beauty Bay link. So I really like this powder. So they will have launched this powder in India as well, but I don't know why they don't launch all the products. Very few products they launch. So by the way, I really like the setting powder. As you can see, it set it beautifully, and this powder is also really nice, the compact powder. So far I'm really liking my face. I really like the finish of the compact powder and the loose powder. So guys, I totally forgot that I have this tint from Relove. So this is the lip and cheek tint which was recently launched. This is in the shade Rose. So I have applied powder, don't know how it's gonna blend. So let's try. This is a very baby pink kind of a shade. So let's try to blend with the fingers. Wow, it's so pigmented, right? You can apply this product on your cheeks and also on your lips. As you can see, this did not remove my foundation. It's applying beautifully. It has a sticky thing. So once you set with the powder, the sticky thing will go, I think. I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend further. Wow, that's really nice, blended beautifully, and it did not remove my foundation at all. Wow, that's really nice. I'm gonna take just my brush to set this. I'm not taking any extra product. So now we'll be moving on to the eye makeup. For that I have this two eyeshadow palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette called Relove Shadow Palette Empower. So we get 6 different eyeshadows here, and this is a shimmery shade, and all other shades are matte in the Empower, and this is Express thing. So this is the shade Express, and we get green shades. So in this palette we have only 2 mattes. These are 2 mattes, and all 4 are shimmery shades. So I feel this is be dupe for ELF bite size palette, but in that bite size you will be getting only 4 shadows. Here you will be getting 6. So but the size, everything looks like ELF thing. So this is what the ELF palette looks like. As you can see, this is a little bit bigger than the ELF one. So here you'll be getting only 4, here you'll be getting 6, but I don't know about the formula. Let's check, but everything looks that ELF dupe. So in today's video I'll be using the Empower. So I'm gonna start off this light pink shade. Blending wise, it's blending beautifully. So generally the Revolution palettes are really good, but this is different brand. Let's see. Next I'm gonna take this dark pink. I'm gonna place this on the crease. So I'm gonna take this mauvish pink shade. I'm gonna place this on my outer corner. So pigmentation wise, this is not that great as I expected. So I'm gonna take this palette as well. So I'm gonna take this brown shade. I'm just going to intensify this pink one. So let's see how this is gonna help us. I'm gonna take this pink shimmery shade from the palette Empower. I'm gonna apply this on my entire eyelid. So I'm not impressed with the shimmery shade. As you can see, there is a lot of fallouts. So I'm gonna dust off that. So let's try with setting spray. I'm gonna wet my brush. So I'm gonna take this brown shade to apply on my lower lashes. I'm gonna take this mauve shade to further blend shimmery shade from Express palette. I'm gonna apply this on my inner corners. So guys, this is the final eye makeup look. So now I'm gonna share my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. So the pigmentation is not that great as I expected. So when compared to the recent palettes what we are getting, so it is very less pigment. Generally the Revolution palette has more pigmentation, but this one has very light pigment for my skin tone, and blending wise it blended beautifully, but the pigmentation is not that great. Even in this palette also the brown shade was not that pigmented, and when compared to the shimmery shades, so the shimmeriness is very powdery thing. It's not, it didn't have that wet feeling. So we need to take setting spray to work this much, and had a lot of fallout. So I ended up removing all the fallouts on my face. So I don't feel to try, but if you really wanted to try, you have to work hard to make this work. Like you need to apply a good eyeshadow primer and also a setting spray to work this shimmery shade. But for a day-to-day wear it's okay, but for any occasion I don't feel it's gonna help you. Anyhow, I'm gonna try to work this palette once again, the Express one, because I really want to try this greens and golds. So I'll try to work this. So for the liner, I have this Slick Flick liner from Relove by Revolution. So this is what the original packaging looks like. So this comes with a felt tip applicator. So now I'm gonna try to create a wing using this liner. So guys, this is how my eyeliner looks like. It's good, but it is not so flexible as I required, so it is little bit hard to work. That's why my liner went very thick on my left eye. On my right eye it came very nicely, but on my left eye it went very dark. So I'm gonna ignore this because I cannot remove my makeup and create. So I'll be keep on testing this, but so far I liked it. So let me check once again. So now coming to the kajal, I have this Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. So they recently launched their Black Magic Mascara. So there was an offer that when you buy 3 Black Magic range, you'll be getting 20% offer. So thought of going with this because I really like Black Magic Kajal and Black Magic liquid eyeliner. So the new product is the mascara. So I wanted to try the mascara. I really like the Black Magic eyeliner from Nykaa. So this is what the packaging looks like. So this is the third packet, the third bottle I have bought. So I really like and I really like the flexibility of this liner, so I bought this one. So I thought anyway we have a new eyeliner, I went and tried. So for the kajal I don't have any product from Relove, so I'm gonna try the Nykaa Black Magic. As you can see, the kajal is really nice, so pigmented and it jet black. So for the mascara I have 2 different mascara. One is from Nykaa's Black Magic Mascara, and this, and next we have the Relove Power Lash Waterproof Mascara. So I'm gonna try both. So this is what the wand of the Relove mascara looks like. So I'm gonna apply this on my left eye. So this is what the packaging from Nykaa's Black Magic Mascara looks like. So this is the original packaging. It's a jet black. So this is the wand of the Black Magic Mascara from Nykaa. I'm gonna apply this on my right eye. So this is not the waterproof one. This is how my lashes looks like. Both the mascaras are really good. So I really like how it applied. Only thing, it is waterproof and this is not waterproof. I'm gonna keep on testing both the mascara, but so far I really like both the mascaras. Did not clump up, and it has given the Revolution one has given so the Relove by Revolution has given little bit of thickness, and the Nykaa one has little bit of less thickness when compared to both the lashes. So far I really liked, but since I have a very less lashes, I could see a same thing. I don't see that much difference, but I'll be keep on testing and I'll be sharing my opinion in coming days. So guys, let's just finish off our remaining face. I'm gonna bronze up my face using the Beauty Bay bronzer in the shade Caramel. Currently I don't have any new bronzers, so I'm gonna apply this. So next we'll be moving on to the blush and highlighter. For that I have this new palette from Relove. This is their duo blush and highlighter blush. So this is in the shade Kindness. They have almost six different variants in this range. So I bought this shade. So this almost reminds me the e.l.f. bite size face duo in pomegranate. So this is the size of the both looks like. So this is smaller when compared to this. So in this e.l.f. one I really like the blush. I didn't like the highlighter. Now let's move on to try the Relove. So let's see which one gonna win. So I'm gonna take this brush. I'm just going to take the blush. So it's a beautiful mauvey pink kind of a shade. I'm just going to apply. Wow, that's a huge pigment, right? Yeah, that's a good pigmentation. So it has a lot of pigmentation when compared to the e.l.f. one. So I'm not just comparing, but it just reminded me that. So this one is priced at rupees 499 rupees. As I said, they had 35% discount. I'm just going to tone down the blush. So it's so pigmented. I really like the blush. It blended and has a beautiful pigment. I'm gonna take this highlighter. So it has a beautiful shimmery and golden thing. I'm just going to apply on my highest points of cheekbone. Wow, that's really nice. So fine melt kind of a thing. So I really like to apply this kind of a highlighter on my face. I want very fine highlighty thing. The formula is so nice, so pigmented. I'm just going to apply on my nose and a little bit on this portion. So guys, I really like this face duo from Relove. It's really nice, so pigmented and has a really good shimmery thing. I'm gonna keep on using this. So I really like this one when compared to the e.l.f. one. So to set my entire face, I have this Relove Super Matte Fix Mist. So this is in the matte variant. They have almost 4 different variants in this range. I'm just going to split all on my face. So it has a very fine mist. Wow, that's really nice. It has a beautiful scent to it. So I really like the mist. It's so finely melted and it sets beautifully my face. So I really like how it's setted. So for the lips, I have these 2 lip liners from Relove. This is their Relove Super Fill Lip Liner. This is in the shade Wonder and this is in the shade Super. So this is a brown kind of shade and this is a more pinkish kind of shade. I'm gonna swatch both on my hands. This is the pencil form and this I bought it for 194 rupees, and actually this is priced at rupees 299. So if this works, I'm gonna find a new lip liner. As you can see, the pigmentation is really nice. So the brown one is Wonder and the pink one is called Super. So I'm gonna apply the brown lip liner. So it gliding beautifully. So for the lipstick, I have this Makeup Revolution Matte Bomb Liquid Lipstick. So this is a newly launched product, so thought let's go and try. And I think this is under 500 rupees. So this is this is what the applicator looks like. It's a big doe foot applicator and the shade is mauvish kind of a pink. Smells beautifully. Wow, it's a beautiful shade. So in recent days, I'm really liking this dark lip liner with light lipstick combo. So far I really like how the lipstick applied on my lips. So I'm gonna wait for a few seconds or minutes so that it will settle on my lips. So by the time the lipstick sets, I'm gonna quickly share a few products that I bought it from Nykaa. So I bought this Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lip Color in the shade For the Win and Getting Ready. I really like this formula, so I really wanted to try few more shades. And if you guys want to see the swatches of these lipsticks, do let me know in the comments. I have already 2 more lipsticks, so totally it will be 4, and it will be a nice thing to see the swatch. And I bought this Color Essence Supreme Liquid eyeliner. So I really wanted to try this eyeliner. I heard a good reviews on this, so I bought this one. So in my next video I'm gonna try and let you know. So guys, this is the final makeup look. I just stick the lashes. These lashes are from Calasis. This is the CS12 style. I really like these lashes, so lightweight, so you can try it on. So I really like all the products that I tried from Relove by Revolution, and also from few products from Nykaa. So guys, I really like all the products except eyeshadow palette, but I can work with the eyeshadow palette with the different techniques, so that I'll create using these palettes, and the blushes, highlighter, and the primer, setting spray. Everything is really nice. As you can see, my face is looking very matte, so I really like to keep my face matte as I am an oily person. And even the lipstick is really good. As you can see, there is no transfer at all, so it sets beautifully as a matte finish. So I really like the products, and it's so affordable. Like under 400 rupees you can try all these products. It's a good affordable range as compared to the products as well. And yeah, hope you like this video guys. If you like, give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion. And if you already tried Relove by Revolution, do let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna leave all the names, links, everything in the description box. So please go ahead and check that out, and please take a moment to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye, take care.